Hello everyone. Welcome to the Tech Fix Everything's channel. This is a place where I share practical tips, hands-on experience, and technical knowledge about repairing printers, copiers, and all kinds of ink systems. In today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to replace the paper feed roller for the Epson L805 printer. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. Your support is what motivates me to create more high-quality videos for you. According to the customer, this printer has an unstable paper feeding issue. Sometimes it fails to pick up paper, and other times it causes paper jams during printing. For this type of problem, you should start by disassembling the paper feed system and carefully inspecting the pickup roller assembly, especially the roller housing. At the same time, don't forget to check for any foreign objects that might be obstructing the paper path, as these can also lead to feeding issues. And now, without wasting any more of your time, let's go ahead and disassemble the paper feed system and take a closer look. The paper feed system is quite dirty, so I'll clean it thoroughly and let it dry completely. After that, I'll proceed with replacing the worn-out paper feed rollers. The paper feed roller has two sides. The side that makes contact with the paper and pulls it in should be the smooth side. You can feel the difference when you rotate the roller housing by hand. Follow this method, and your printer will feed paper more smoothly, operate more consistently, and last longer. This method can be applied to most printers and copiers when replacing the paper feed roller housing. If you found this video helpful and picked up something useful along the way, I'd truly appreciate your support. A quick subscribe, like, or share goes a long way in helping the channel grow and reach more people who need it. Feel free to drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. I always enjoy hearing from you. Your support is what keeps me motivated to create more valuable and high-quality content. And that's it. The unstable paper feeding issue on the Epson L805 has been successfully fixed. The printer is now running smoothly, feeding paper consistently, and ready to get back to work. I hope this video helps you solve the same problem on your machine. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.